of all the ways that I show you how to make money online in this course, what I'm gonna tell you now, at least for me personally.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
This is really what made a difference for me and what is going to help you. And this is like, if you do this right, it's going to make 20 times difference in your earnings, okay? And it's a theoretical lecture. It's not like a how-to. So there's not going to be like how to do this. But if you just think about it and use it, you're going to make like, if you get it right, you're going to make a very significant amount of money more. And here's the thing I want you to think about. Do you remember in 2009 when apps were becoming popular? If you made an app in 2009, there's a very likely chance you would be like a millionaire, right? Because then it was just starting. In 2005 or 6, if you became a YouTube star, if you were one of the first people to get on YouTube, you would be like a millionaire, right? Because you would learn before everybody else, and you would have a tremendous amount of views and all that stuff. Okay? If you got into the internet in like 1995, you would be probably like really wealthy, right? And there's all these trends, right? And I can go on and on and on, right? Like if you started selling on Amazon in 1995, you would be really wealthy, right? Because you would be the only product there almost for your category. So what does this teach us? What I would suggest that you do, and this is a hard thing to do because it's theoretical, but you have to develop a nose to look for new industries that are coming up, new big websites to invest in before they become mainstream. Okay? Once they become mainstream, you're competing against the whole world. Before they become mainstream, they need you and they will promote you, right? You have so much prominence in their system because they're growing, but most people don't know to put their products on them. Most people don't know to take advantage of them. But if you experiment and invest your time and effort into new platforms, new trends, new strategies, and over time develop a sort of an instinct, what's doing well, what's not doing well, then you can be the next person to be the first on YouTube, one of the first people in the apps, right? That's what I want you to do. Not join YouTube now when there's like millions of YouTubers making money, right? Or not, selling on Amazon when it's like incredibly crowded. You can still make good money, but it's just incredibly crowded. What I want you to do is be like one of the first in these things. And if you're one of the first, you're going to be so much more prominent, and you're going to grow along with that site. And that's how you develop. That's how you get real wealth and make money online.